Hi, my name is Niranjan. I'll be talking about a UX tool called Pencil. Pencil controls shapes in its document by mean of stencils. Each stencil, say for example a rectangle, is indeed a template to generate shapes. Each template defines the look, the properties, the behaviors, the actions. The looks. Look defines how the generated shape looks like by mean of a SVG element. Say for example, the rectangle stencil defines a shape formed by single SVG element. The properties. The properties which the shape has plus optional extra constraints on them. For example, the rectangle stencil has a box property of type dimension, a stroke style property of type stroke style, and fill color property of type color. The behavior. Behavior tells how the shape look is changed accordingly to changes made to its properties. For example, the rectangle element has its fill and fill opacity changes to the fill color property of the shape. The action. The action which actions that external object and users can ask the shape to do. For example, the rectangle stencil define a remove border action to allow user setting the stroke style width property to and hence make the element's border disappear. The stencils are organized in collections. Each collection contains a set of related stencils and can be installed into or uninstalled from Pencil using the collector manager. The process of creating shapes from stencils. After being installed into the Pencil, a stencil can be used to create shapes by dragging it into the drawing pane of a page. When a stencil is dropped into a page, the actions will be taken by the pencil to create a shape for the stencil. So it has usually four main steps: creating a shape as a SVG element containing all SVG element defined in the content section of the stencil definition, putting the newly created shape into the page content, then setting initial values for the properties in the shape to default values as defined in the stencil, applying all behavior defined in the stencil to make the shape look change accordingly to these initial property values. To talk about overview, there are four phases: the planning phase, the sketching phase, the layout, and finalize. Planning and sketching ideas before taking them to implementation is a useful quality that developers have learned to value. In website development, the concept of wireframe, which is a diagram or sketch of a website ready to be handed over to a graphic designer, resonates with this need. On the other hand, prototyping deals with laying out a plan before execution for successful product development. The Pencil project is a useful GUI prototyping tool that equips creative individuals to lay out, sketch, analyze, and finalize their ideas using a wide range of elements, including common shapes, basic web elements, sketchy GUI, stencils, and many more. These can be exported in PNG, SVG, HTML, PDF, and ODT file formats for applications in various development domains with an artistic yet technically sound plan ready for finishing. As soon as the installation completes, you can use Pencil project to begin creating diagrams. The application is built on the Firefox platform, due to which the interface is somewhat similar to the browser itself. The left side presents a variety of basic and advanced elements that equip you to creating detail oriented figures in the main workspace. By drawing the main workspace elements relevant or to the right, double clicking a figure allows you to enter text, while right clicking provides you with the properties that let you set colors, arrangements, fonts, border, and canvas resizing to a new view. You can place favorite elements or new elements in the My Steps tab for ease of access. Moreover, the Common Shapes window allows you to make use of basic elements like inserting bullets, balloons, images, lines, text, and shapes like rectangle, oval, circle, etc. The basic web element section is useful for web developers, which aims to save time by providing most frequently used elements for wireframing designing. For software developers, the product interface holds utmost importance. Keeping this in mind, the Sketchy GUI collection provides relevant elements useful in prototyping. Now you can design entire interface using HTML, text, tab, progress, scroll bar, message box, window frame, list, fields, and menus. To talk about Clipboard browser add creative content to your Word in the pencil project. Clipboard browser to search for and select relevant material for your project. To add creative content to your Word in pencil project, the tools use enables you to access stencil generator and clip art browser to search for and select relevant material for your project. These include rich people SVGs, abstract people SVGs, group of people SVGs, crunch people ambigram SVGs, business people silhouette SVGs, people pesos, business people, power to people, car with people, and many more. The final plan can be exported as a document in various format. The final plan then can be exported as a document in various formats, including HTML, web pages, PNG images, printer friendly PDF formats, and many more. So with the final page there you can export a document in various formats including HTML, web pages, PNG images, friendly printable PDF formats, and many more. In conclusion, utility is sure to benefit designer and developers for converting their ideas to reality. It has been tested the standalone version of Pencil Project on Windows 7 64-bit edition. It also supports Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. A Firefox add-in is also available free of cost.